freaking getting ready for the next day. I have a show tomorrow and I'm going to try to go to school also after the show, but I have to get ready the night before because I have to wake up really early. So I just want to make sure all I have to do is make sure my makeup look fire tomorrow. So I'm slicking it back. I'm slicking all the hairs back. I was going to do some edges, but I'm just going to slick it. Because it's fine with the slick. Who will say otherwise? Slick. And then I'm going to have to do another one. Another ponytail because, yeah, I have to make sure it's secured for in the morning. Because I have to do, I don't know, I'm going to do like a little ball situation bun. I hope this like stays this way into the morning. I think I'm gonna do like a little, oh, forgot the kitchen in the back. Ow! I think I'm just gonna do a little flip. Whoa, I'm really gonna have to put some, I really gotta put some edge control back there because that kitchen just sticking out. It's making the ponytail look crazy. It's not looking so slick with that. And then I'm going to get into the shower. I mean, not the shower, the tub. My water is already actually done. I'm not gonna lie, because I had already filled it. It's actually steaming hot. And then I'll have to, next after I get out the bath, I'm going to have to just go to bed, I guess. Well, no, pack my bags for the next morning and then go to bed because that's just gonna be that. And then the next time you see me, I'll be in the car on my way to my friend's house to get, so she can drive there. Y'all, it's currently 5:09. Let me show you. 5:09. I just got up and brushed my teeth, and I'm about to put my jacket. The light ain't bright. I'm about to put my sweatshirt on and leave out the house because I got. Me and Deshara is going into, I don't know what we're doing. You doing it, bro? We the only ones in here. How we doing, Val? Yeah. Hey guys. Ooh. Hi. Oh, I hope I get the orange.
This is our last ballet show. Oh, well, tomorrow's our last ballet show.
Yeah.
But I don't have no eyeshadow. Who got eyeshadow? Who got eyeshadow today?
I can't prepare it. I put it all in my little thing.
Yeah.
Where's Miss Puppy?
They need a mirror, but they didn't bring it. You know how long I've been trying to get her to eat hash brown.
She can't stop now.
I don't know what made her. I'm not crying. It's just my eyes. You look sad. It's just my eyeballs. Hey, let's do a vlog. Oh, we are vlogging. Okay, so guys.
Who bought that whole computer?
So guys, when do you graduate?
On the 24th.
Can you say it louder?
On the 24th.
I graduate on the 29th
of May.
And you graduate
On the 28th.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Okay, now I'm done with this.
Oh my goodness, y'all.
I'm sad.
Stay
really want
tuned.
this whole thing. I don't have any more. I only got this little bitty dumpling.
What is that?
I ain't
Power
mad.
grip primer. It's power
I only
grip
got.
primer.
I don't want to use this small thing. I like my big old thing.
What is this? Lanaya, you don't have a choice. You don't have a choice.
Like this one don't even. This what?
Right, you gotta squeeze it.
It don't open.
Unless you wash your ear. The only one, because you got to take it out.
Ooh, wait, hold on. I don't got a chance.
I sit.
Chicken butt. Is it this side? The right? You can even tell I got on lashes.
I'm just big the side of my mouth.
You say unnecessary information.
No, right now I'm bleeding.
You're so cute.
Follow me on Instagram.
No free clout. Hi guys, my name is Zaria.
My name's Jamiya. I'm 17.
Where do you get
Hey
that?
guys, it's Jayana and Kayla.
She got that zoom.
Oh, this gonna go on YouTube.
Yeah.
I keep forgetting you and me fake vlogging.
Okay. Hey y'all. Follow, I'm about to start YouTube channel, y'all.
No, she not. I'm not supporting.
Okay.
Isis, are you okay? What happened?
I know y'all miss me because y'all haven't seen me since the Christmas show when I did my little dancing dance.
Oh yeah.
But this time I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna say that for the June show because that's when I'm gonna be happy.
Because I put her.
I don't want to be here right now.
Y'all, it's my senior year. I'm about to be everybody. Me and Lanaya in the shower.
Yes.
I'm the cutest rooster.
No, it's not that. It's because we got a quick change and I don't want to rip none out my head.
Yeah, that's fine. I gets down, I don't.
This your guys. It's your last ballet show. Sure mine. Hey, you ain't got to kiss her. No, she over there not smiling.
Yeah.
So everybody fake Bobby Pin?
Yeah. Hey y'all, so recap of the day. I did my first show and then I did the second show. The second show, I'm sorry, y'all couldn't see my face, but the second show, basically, all the schools they left because it was like they have to get back to the school at a certain time and it was already too late and it was in Naperville. So they had to leave, and also I wasn't able to go back to school, so I'm just going to finish the vlog tomorrow when I go back to dance because I have another show, which is the last show. So why not bring y'all and continue the vlog about the show? So therefore the vlog is turned to a ballet show vlog. So yeah, I just wanted to tell y'all that I wasn't able to go to school and how the last show went. So yeah. Hi guys, so I'm in a car and I'm getting ready to go to work. I don't want to go to work. I genuinely don't want to. And then it be like that sometimes. I'm trying to prop y'all up. But it be like that sometimes. But like Okay, y'all, I'm back for day 2. Killer.
So this is my vlog now, and this is my page, and I love y'all. Peace. Featuring Lanaya and Kayla. Kayla said that she wants to be here and she can't wait to do this dance show. And my edge is on flake. And look at Jayana. Jayana. Okay, maybe not.
Yeah, so I have to show my costume on now.
Or should I try something different?
I don't like glitter for the ballet show. I feel like it looks better when you do like a brown.
So glitter it is.
Okay.
I'm giving you a
I'm just playing, dang, baby. I'm just playing. What brown? What brown? What brown gonna show up on
like the one I got on my eyes.
A dark brown will show up on your eyes. So where? Who got dark brown? You got dark brown?
Yeah, I got dark brown in this.
Come do me a dark brown.
Wow. Now I'm doing it?
Yes.